This is Tagarika Village, the road coming from the mine going to Doubt. The water is overflowing, crossing the road, and the transport, like small vehicles, are finding it very difficult to cross the water. This is so pathetic, especially in Buhera, where a number of incidents have been reported, where people have been flown off by the waters flowing across the river. We have had recent incidents where some vendors were flown driving in a pro box when they attempted to cross a river like this one. So it's so pathetic. Reader must attend to this. The Minister of Transport and Zinara must attend to this with immediate effect before so many lives are lost. Look at the river, water flowing across the road, making a river here.